Let's learn animal names with sounds.
This is a cat, it says meow. It sits on the roof and walks on the plow. Soft little paws and whiskers too. The cat says meow just for you. Meow, meow, meow. Dog, this is a dog. It says woof, woof, running and jumping on the roof. Wags its tail and loves to play. Let's bark like a dog today. This is a cow. It says moo moo, gives us milk. It's kind and true. Big brown eyes and a lovely face. Let's moo like cows all over the place. This is a duck. It says quack quack. It swims in water and flaps right back. Yellow and fluffy, it loves to splash. Let's quack together in a dash. Elephant, this is an elephant, big and wide, with a long trunk and a steady stride. It says trumpet and walks with grace. An elephant's smile lights up the place. We met the cat and the dog too, the duck that quacks and the cow that moos. Learning is fun when we rhyme and play. Let's meet more friends another day.
Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss more fun videos.
Goodbye.